Looking for a brand new house in Northwest Cape Coral? You came to the right place. I'm Sunshine Sherry with Team Sunshine here in Cape Coral and Remax. And I'm going to take you through this house in the Northwest Cape today, so let's get to it. This is a 1,700 square foot 2025 home here in the Northwest Cape, and it's got a flexible layout, all kinds of modern finishes, and we're gonna walk through the inside and I'll show you everything. Look at the palm trees, we got that going on already. It does look like it needs a bit of a little haircut on the lawn mowing, but we will get to that, and let's start going inside. We are going to I'll show you the neighborhood real quick. I live in this neighborhood, so I can tell you it's a great neighborhood. You've got a Gulf Access Canal right across the street, some open lots that are gonna have big, beautiful houses on them. All right, let's take a walk through. We're gonna come right up here, nice sidewalk into the house, beautiful plantings right here by the door, and a cute little front porch that wouldn't take anything to screen in. And if you screen this in, that way in the wintertime, when you're down here, snowbirds, you can open these beautiful front doors, open those slider doors in the back, and let those northwest breezes blow through. Look at that beautiful palm tree right outside your door. These flowers are Exora, and they bloom all year long. So let's go in these big, beautiful doors. Look at that beautiful sconce up there, hanging light right in the front porch. Also has soffit lights to keep the front of your house nice and bright when you're walking in and out. Here we go. First thing you're gonna see is this beautiful tile flooring. It's clean, it's modern, certainly easy to keep clean. This is a great big space, awesome for connection into the kitchen. And look at that beautiful island right in the kitchen. Nice stainless appliances. This tile goes right up onto that island too. And you can see that there are waterfall edges on that beautiful island. You could probably put 3, 4 bar stools there so that people can enjoy your cooking abilities, as well as you can join in when we're watching the game or entertaining. Nice dining space over there, and those doors go right out to your lanai, which we will get to. This is a great space and great connection. When I'm right here in the kitchen cooking up some snacks, I can watch the TV also. Right off the bat, we've got the den, and for those of you that need a place to work from home, you need a playroom for the grandkids. This is a beautiful spot, nice and light. Already got a great LED light up there and tall ceilings, that's for sure. But this den connection is really great too. You've got doors on this so that you can close it off and have some privacy. This spacious main living area has a real open concept and really works well for the way that we live and entertain today. Look at those beautiful tray ceilings up there. And we've got these large slider doors for the connection out to the lanai. The kitchen has this beautiful large island with waterfall edge quartz countertops. Over here on the right, we've got a great pantry. Let me show you how big this pantry is. It is pretty darn good. Already got the shelving in there, plenty of room to keep all your snacks and all your food stores. Again, we've got stainless appliances and plenty of cupboards, that's for sure. We've got crown molding up on the top. Just show you over here, and look at this, already here for you. Got the garbage can situation. We've got a disposal already in place. That's what that little button is for. Got a little soap dispenser. And again, lots and lots of cupboards. This is the dining room space, and it is really large. Again, already have that light in place. Got a nice big window. Speaking of the windows, these are all impact windows and doors. So that's gonna really help you out. You will not have to put up shutters if we do have weather approaching, and you're gonna get a discount on your insurance for having those impact resistant windows. Let's go first into the primary suite. It is spacious. You can see there is a change in flooring here. So we've got the luxury vinyl plank in all of the bedrooms and in the main spaces. Let's zip back around here. We've got this beautiful tile flooring. So back to the primary suite. We've got luxury vinyl plank on the floor. We've got a beautiful tray ceiling up here with some LED lights, and a fan is already in place also. We've got the great transom window there, gives you light, but it also gives you privacy. And we've got a connection out to the lanai space. So if and when you put a pool out there, which there's always room for a pool, you'll be looking right out into that beautiful pool when you wake up every day. And those beautiful tall doors will get you right out there to your relaxation space. So let's continue on down this little hallway. We've got double closets here. We'll take a peek inside the closets. Already got some shelving in place. These closets are about the same size, I think. Already got the shelving in place, ready to go. And we've got the toilet room here, so that's always a plus. At any rate, we will come in here and look at, we've got quartz countertop, double sinks, really a spacious place in here, and lots of storage. Next, we're gonna go on to this beautiful soaker tub. Can't you just see yourself sitting there with a glass of wine or laying down in the bathtub, right? Next, we're gonna move on to this, I call it a drive-through shower. It's really a walk-through shower. We've got beautiful pebble tile flooring in the walk-through, drive-through shower, as well as 3 big windows to bring in that light. Got LED lights up there too. And we've got these cute little shower nooks for all of the stuff that you might need. We're walking right through this bad boy. Come out here, we've already got towel holders, and we're back to that beautiful bathtub. Once again, we've got plenty of room here, his and hers vanities, one a little larger than the other. We know how that's gonna get divvied up, but really a beautiful space and very luxurious in this primary bathroom. Now we'll go back out to the space and we're gonna check out this split floor plan. And by the master suite is on one side and the other bedrooms are on the other side of the house. So that makes for good privacy for your guests as well as for you. First bedroom, also the luxury vinyl plank flooring. Nice big window, as well as a nice big closet over there. Already have LED lighting in place. You can certainly add a fan to that. Go right across the hallway to the third bedroom. Pretty much the same. Light already in place. Nice closet over here. Indeed, it is a walk-in closet. Look at that. And we will move on to the second bathroom, which is also beautiful. It's got the beautiful tile. It's got the quartz countertop and beautiful tile in the shower also. Got a nice little nook to put all your stuff. Your guests will feel so comfortable here. And lots of storage here too. Back out here to the main space, we'll get a different view of the kitchen and its connection with the main living space. This dining room is pretty big, let me tell you. Next, we're gonna mosey on out to that extended lanai space. Let's open these nice slider doors, impact slider doors. We're gonna go out here, and this is really a large lanai. This could be the place where you end up putting your outdoor kitchen. It is not, at this moment in time, plumbed for an outdoor kitchen, but you can certainly put your grill there. You could put a little wine fridge there. Really pretty darn awesome. We're gonna look out here. They have not screened this in because I would think that they are thinking that someone that buys this is going to put a pool in the backyard. So if they had screened it in, you'd have to take that screening down and then put your pool in and then put up your cage. There certainly are people that are not putting up cages these days. I like cages because it keeps all of the debris out of your pool. Just giving you a good look at what the neighborhood behind you would look like. Let's take a little peek up one side of the house and then down the other side of the house. This side of the house, not much to see. The other side has the AC and water equipment on it. So let's go over, look at that. Now that's what your house would look like if you throw a pool in the backyard here. Get to know your neighbors and you could swim in their pool for a while. Irrigation system already in place. There's the water system, it's water filtration system, and there's the AC over there. Water filtration system is necessary here because we have wells, and the city sewer and water will be coming probably in the next couple of years. Irrigation system already in place. That's the control box for the irrigation system. But here's where your big beautiful pool could be, certainly. You've got a couple lots next door that are still looking for nice homes to be built, as well as two, I think, lots behind you. We've got some modern houses here. We've got Cape Coral kind of houses here, and of course the beautiful home that we're touring today. Let's take a look at this lanai from back here. That would be gorgeous. You've got the slider doors from the primary suite as well as the slider doors from the main area. You could put your, as I said, your grill and a nice little wine fridge over on this side. You've got plenty of room for a dining table as well as some lounging places. And you could put the TV straight in front of us and be able to watch the game, be it football game, soccer game, hockey game, watch movies out here in the wintertime. This is really where you'll be living in the wintertime. Go back inside and take one more look through this beautiful brand new home. 3 bedrooms plus a den. 2 bathrooms, over 1,700 square feet. And currently the price is $414,900. Look at that beautiful island. That is really great. Can't you see a nice big dining room table there for all your friends and family? They're staying over there in those 2 bedrooms. Let's see, we have not taken a look at the laundry room space or the garage space. Continued flooring right on into the laundry room. Very convenient, right here off the kitchen. This is a space for the washer and dryer. You've also got a mop sink. Now, I have to tell you that at our house, we chose not to put the mop sink in, but instead we put a smaller refrigerator, not quite full size, where we keep our wine, beer, and extra drinks for when we're entertaining. Right out here is the garage. This is a great connection to the garage. Come in with your groceries, you're right in the kitchen. pretty standard on the garage, and it's really nice because number one, they've put your AC way up. So that means you can put shelving all the way around the inside of this garage. And as you can see, you've got enough space on each side of the garage door so that you can fit shelving in here. They have tucked your hot water heater away in a little nook, which is great because it gives you more room for your car and for storage. Nice 2-car garage. Keep your car and your stuff out of the sun. And yet that way you don't have to get out of your car in the rain. All right, we are back in the kitchen, back in the main living space. I'm gonna take one more tour around. I'm Sunshine Sherry with Team Sunshine and RE/MAX Alliance Group. Please give us a call if you want to know more about this house or if you've just started looking. That's about it for the tour today, folks, but I just want to say that if you've been looking for a brand new Northwest Cape home with modern finishes, and look at this flexible layout, this one is definitely worth a look. At 414,900 and 1,726 square feet, this home offers new construction, impact windows, a den right over here off the living space. The kitchen, the primary suite, the covered lanai are probably the biggest standout things here. This is a really strong option for someone who wants style, they want to be comfortable, and something that's going to maintain the value in a really growing part of Cape Coral. Who are the buyers for this home? If you're relocating to Cape Coral, if you're retired or just starting to think about retirement, or in the midst of retiring, this home really could be for you. Nothing really to do here except maybe put in a pool. Snowbirds, if you're a work from home person and you need a den, this has got it. And anybody that's really looking for new construction with no projects to do and a good deal on insurance. Pretty awesome, folks. Anyway, Team Sunshine, our contact information is right down below. I'm Sunshine Sherry, my husband is Rob, and we are ready, willing, and able to help you find your new home in paradise. Contact information right down below. Visit our website, www.sunshinesherry.com. And let's get this party started. Hey, I just want to thank A.D. Diaz with Century 21 for allowing me to show you this beautiful property here out in Northwest Cape. Thanks, A.D. I really do appreciate it.
See you on the next video.